were down here yesterday, Scott. We took this left. We were trying to get back to the parkway. Red light guy. Is the red light on?
Best fun time. Lots of pictures, all right? Lots of sights you're going to see.
Nice.
Lots of photos.
Oh my God. That's stuff.
We still want to make sure we can see it. Hold it out of you, right?
Nope.
See those photos from your eyes. Who's the reason for that town? Get out! Love it. Awesome. Where from? Who are the Philly residents? Bunch of races. Yeah, go Phil. Go Eagles.
East side got two now.
First timers visiting Philly.
There's not enough. Look at this.
Crazy's beautiful too. We got eight folks in the Monterey on 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. We'll wait for this crowd to go because we want to make sure that all the roads are safe. There you go. It's not overly crowded. Start line. You look great.
You look great, Scott.
Thanks, Mike.
Oh, folks, you're awesome.
Yeah, we should have started at the back. You know what I mean?
Jen, you want a plastic coffee, don't you?
Yeah, I mean, we probably should have started at the back. Let everybody get out of here. You know?
Let's check you guys out. Yo! Who's here for our first time today at Philly Bike
Yeah,
Ride?
I know we always say
Love it. Welcome aboard. It's a great, fun ride.
I wonder where this guy's
We love having you.
DJ from.
So everyone else here has done this before. Nice.
That's pretty cool.
Nice. Well, we hope you have a fantastic day. We got a good one as well, folks. Just make sure you join us at the After Party Festival. We need you. A lot of fun stuff there too.
You can't see your number
We
anyway.
got 20 fun miles, take a ton of photos, and we're going to have you guys off in about a minute.
So this is all like where Christmas villages and stuff too. So we should do that. That's a pretty fun time. I think we go straight here.
Yeah, let's go straight. Shortcut. You were in the front. How do you know which way to go? Like they got somebody driving?
I don't know.
It's like I wouldn't know. There's like no markers on the street. It wasn't like an app I could download. That's pretty cool. Look at that dude. Riding their bike around there.
Yeah.
Cool as shit, man.
Like I said, a lot of it's nice too because you know when you're in your car you don't get to see as much as when you're on your. And this is where they ice skate and rollerblade and or roller skate and stuff. Yeah, smooth.
I'm glad they did it just for the bike race.
I doubt that.
Where'd you work, Jen, over here? 20th and Market. 20th and Market. Yeah.
Up.
More miles to go.
We're putting along at 7, 8, 9 miles an hour.
Here's McCormick and Schmidt.
See, I thought we were going down No. But
Isn't that theater down there?
the Walnut Street Theater and the Academy of Music, Kimmel Center.
I was saying you can't see this from your car.
Scott and I were just talking about it too. It's like it's nice we can do it nice and slow. You know you can see more, take it in. In your car, you're worried about every other car around you.
The best location in the city.
No, it's not.
You know, you're a casual rider, right? So, but you need to know your surroundings too.
You think Duncan would be able to be selling coffee to all these people, you know?
Like when you made that hard right turn just now? Yeah. I'm like, oh. Like shots like this going down Market. Bill,
Yeah, buddy.
you're down here, 13th, and then you go down to like Walnut. So that's just like the
I tell you, for years we had season tickets to the Walnut Street Theater, you know? There's the Hard Rock right there on the left. I ate there before. The food's terrible.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's a tourist trap.
Yep, it is.
I'd rather eat like at a place like that place last night, like Urban, whatever that place was. You know, like small little place,
Yep.
dive bar, good food.
Yep. If only we could have got a parking spot.
Yeah, I know.
Isn't it nice? Don't worry about the lights or nothing.
Just keep going. We got to worry about people are walking here, so we gotta.
Yeah, I didn't expect people walking across. There's Iron Hill.
Oh, yeah.
How come there's no one in there?
I want my gift card.
There's the convention center.
Yeah, if the Sixers came down here, it would have been a mess. Because you know they didn't really give a shit about parking. You'd have to find like parking for 40,000 people, like
Yeah,
which is like
I guess they would.
20,000 cars.
You'd want to be probably taking the Patco to the Broad Street line. Riding down Market Street. Where's Scotto? Oh. It does seem downhill, Scott. We're gonna be, you know, we're gonna pay for this.
Don't we come back the same way?
I don't think so. Didn't you see the map? It's like a big loop. More like a square. I was wondering if we go through the historic district. That's like cobblestones and stuff. When I was in Baltimore, I rented a scooter and I wiped out because of those damn cobblestones. I'm gonna turn this off for now.